Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of sugar snap peas, a super sweet and crisp veggie that's amazing to grow right at home. I'll be sharing essential tips on growing and harvesting these tasty treats, and a few things I wish I'd known before starting out. If you want a bountiful harvest of these delicious peas, stick around. First off, why grow sugar snap peas? Unlike other peas, you can eat both the pod and the peas inside. They're sweet, crunchy, and packed with vitamins. Plus, they grow fast, so you'll get a quick payoff for your efforts. Let's talk timing. Sugar snap peas are a cool season crop, which means they thrive in spring and fall. Plant them when soil temperatures are around 45 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, around early spring or mid-fall in most regions. They can even withstand a bit of frost, so they're perfect for getting a jump start on your growing season. Next up, soil prep. Sugar snap peas do best in loose, well-drained soil that's rich in organic matter. Adding compost is key because it'll give your peas the nutrients they need to grow strong. Peas also have shallow roots, so raised beds or loamy soil that isn't too compacted will help them thrive. Now, when planting, space seeds about 1 to 2 inches apart and about 1 inch deep. I made the mistake of planting them too close my first time, which led to overcrowded plants and fewer pods. Giving them enough space allows airflow, which reduces the risk of disease and encourages healthier growth. One thing I really wish I knew earlier: sugar snap peas need support. These vines can climb up to 4 to 6 feet, so a trellis, bamboo stakes, or a net is essential. This not only keeps the plants off the ground and prevents rotting, but also makes harvesting way easier. Peas don't like soggy soil, so water them consistently but don't overdo it. Aim to water the soil, not the leaves, to avoid mildew and other fungal issues. Once a week should be enough, but adjust based on your climate. If you're in a hotter area, check the soil and water when the top inch feels dry. Another big tip: peas don't need much fertilizer, and too much nitrogen can actually reduce your yield. They're legumes, so they produce their own nitrogen. A low nitrogen fertilizer, if any, is the way to go. Compost added at the beginning of the season should be more than enough. Unfortunately, pests like aphids and diseases like powdery mildew can target sugar snap peas. One trick I've learned is to use insecticidal soap for pests and to keep plants spaced out to improve airflow. Mildew thrives in damp conditions, so spacing and avoiding wet leaves are key here. Harvesting is the fun part. Look for pods that are plump, but still have a slight give when you squeeze them. I like to harvest mine when they're about 2 to 3 inches long, but you can pick them earlier if you like a tender crunch. The trick is to harvest every couple of days once they start maturing. This encourages the plant to produce even more pods. Freshly harvested peas are best enjoyed within a day or two for that crisp flavor. If you want to save some, just blanch them quickly in boiling water, then pop them in the freezer. This preserves their flavor and texture for months, perfect for winter soups and stir-fries. That's it, folks. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to a bountiful sugar snap pea harvest. Trust me, these are tips I wish I knew before, so I hope they help you avoid some of the beginner mistakes I made. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and let me know in the comments what you're growing this season. See you in the next video, and happy gardening.